Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your beauty routine not just easier, but more enjoyable. Today, we're taking a closer look at the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Lipstick Cream in the shade Sweetheart Blush 390, a 0.12-ounce lipstick that promises rich color and moisturized soft lips. The Exhibitionist Lipstick Cream is designed to deliver vibrant, long-lasting color while keeping your lips nourished. Its formula is enriched with shea butter, which is known for its hydrating properties, leaving your lips feeling soft and conditioned rather than dry or chalky. The texture is creamy and smooth, gliding on effortlessly, and it comes in a wide variety of shades, so there's something for every mood or occasion. When I tried this shade, Sweetheart Blush 390, I immediately noticed how easily it applied. The lipstick feels luxurious, almost like a balm, but with the intensity of a cream lipstick. It wears comfortably throughout the day, and I didn't experience any cracking or uneven fading, which is a common concern with highly pigmented lipsticks. One thing to keep in mind is that, while it is hydrating, it's not a substitute for a dedicated lip treatment if your lips are extremely dry. What I really appreciate is how user-friendly this lipstick is. Even on a quick morning routine, it provides full coverage with just one swipe. The color is buildable too, so if you're going for something bolder, you can layer it without it feeling heavy. On the downside, as a cream formula, it does require a little touch-up after eating oily foods, but that's expected for this type of lipstick. In terms of pros, the creamy texture, moisturizing feel, and rich pigmentation stand out. The shade Sweetheart Blush is universally flattering and easy to pair with many makeup looks. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, and it feels sturdy in your hand. For cons, you might need occasional reapplication after meals, and those with extremely sensitive lips might want a patch test first due to the rich pigment. Considering value for money, COVERGIRL has positioned this lipstick competitively. You're getting a formula that hydrates while delivering strong color payoff, which is impressive for a drugstore price point. Compared to higher-end cream lipsticks, this one holds its own in both comfort and color intensity. If you're on a budget, it's hard to beat this combination of quality and affordability. If you've tried other cream lipsticks like Maybelline's Color Sensational Creamy Matte or Revlon's Super Lustrous Cream, you'll find that COVERGIRL Exhibitionist offers a softer, more hydrating feel while maintaining vibrant color. It's not matte, so if you're looking for a super long-wear option that doesn't require touch-ups, you might prefer those alternatives. But for everyday wear, it's ideal. Overall, the build quality of the tube is solid, and the formula feels consistent with each application. It's easy to store, travel with, and the shea butter infusion gives it a luxury feel without the luxury price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Lipstick Cream in Sweetheart Blush 390 is a beautiful, creamy lipstick that hydrates as it colors. It's perfect for anyone seeking comfort and vibrancy in their lip products, especially for daily wear or quick touch-ups. The texture, pigmentation, and moisturizing effect make it a standout in its category, and the price point makes it accessible without compromising quality. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.